Start your day with the vibrant mango orange sunrise. This tropical juice is loved across Europe and the USA. Blend sweet mango, fresh orange juice, and a hint of lemon. Get that perfect sunrise glow. It's ideal for breakfast, brunch, or a quick pick-me-up. Make it in just 15 seconds. Give this amazing drink a try. Subscribe for more delicious fruity flavors.
I bet you didn't know. Belly bloat relief can be this easy. Ready for a quick fix? Just slice up some fresh cucumber and lemon, soak in water, and sip away the bloat. That's it. So simple. Subscribe for more simple wellness shots. You need to hear this if you love fresh juice. Want an instant immunity boost? This shot's for you. Grab orange, pineapple, and lemon. Toss them in your juicer. Watch those vibrant colors mix. One quick shot, and you're ready to take on the day. Hit subscribe for daily fresh juice ideas.
Start your day with the tropical glow of our mango orange sunrise juice. This bright, sweet, and energizing blend is a fan favorite across the USA and Europe. Just blend ripe mango, fresh orange juice, and a splash of lemon. You get a citrusy sunrise right in your glass. It's perfect for busy mornings or a quick mood boost. Follow for more fast, fruity juice recipes.
Mornings dragging you down? Skip the coffee crash. Sip on green power instead. Just blend banana, spinach, and almond milk. Done in seconds. It's creamy, fresh, and fuels your morning. Hit subscribe to power up your day.
Need a morning jolt? Skip the coffee. Try this instead. Blend fresh pineapple, a kick of ginger, and a squeeze of lemon. That's your pineapple ginger kickstart. Zingy, refreshing, and loaded with vitamins. Subscribe for more daily refreshers.
Want a juicy hack to melt belly fat fast? Listen up. Grab black grapes, squeeze in fresh lemon, add chilled water, blend it up. This grape lemon fat cutter is your new go-to. Refreshing, tasty, and easy. Follow for more fat-burning juice hacks.
Stop reaching for soda. Blend up this instead. Cucumber, lime, mint. Refresh and slim down. Just blend fresh cucumber, zesty lime, and cool mint with cold water. Sip, relax, and feel lighter in minutes. Hit subscribe for daily juice detox ideas.
Exposing the secret in your kitchen. This juice will have your skin glowing. Got 15 seconds? Blend mango, carrot juice, and a splash of lime. That's your skin glow juice. Sip it every morning and watch your skin transform. Hit subscribe for more beauty drink hacks.
Craving something zesty and refreshing? You have to try the blueberry lemon spark juice. It's a tangy, antioxidant favorite everywhere. Just blend blueberries, a squeeze of lemon, maybe honey or sparkling water for fizz. It's perfect for a midday boost or detox refresher. So quick, so good. Follow us for more fast and fruity juice ideas.